explore the different ways you can assign formatives to your students. Find the formative you want to use with your students. You can find these on the home page or on the activities page. At the top of the page on the right, you will see the Assign button. You're going to click it. You're going to choose which class you want to assign the formative to. Once selected, click on the gear on the right-hand side to figure out which way you want to assign the formative. You have 3 different options on how to assign the formative. First is student-paced mode. Students complete this on their own, and this is used traditionally for assessments. There's then teacher-paced mode, where teachers have the option to control the pace of the questions so the students can progress together. And then you've got game-paced mode, which launches the students into a gamified version of formative. Scroll down on each option to explore all the different settings. Once you're ready, click the Assign button. This will provide you with a link to share the formative with your students. Have fun exploring the different ways to engage your students with formative.